Hi guys! What do we have?
Boiled eggs.
This one is a balot.
Those look like balls.
And this one, Penoy.
Penoy.
You want to try to eat the balot?
I'm full.
But I don't want to eat the duck.
Then take care of it.
You want to take care of it? I want to eat only the yellow.
Wait, I want to try with a light
With the light, why?
to check if there's something inside.
Only the yellow. Kaming suka.
Buka.
We bought this one in the night market. Let's try though. You want to try?
What are you even doing?
Oh! Wow.
No.
Sabaw. Uy!
What?
We'll put suka.
Is that the duck?
Yeah, we'll put suka.
No. Mommy, is that the duck?
Yeah.
Don't drink the duck. That's disgusting.
No, it's not.
Eat it. Let's take care of it.
Take care of it. How you can take care of it? Come here. Come here. They cannot see you in the video. I want to eat the yellow. Come on now. We're not done. Sarap ng yellow. Hindi ko pa talaga kaya kumain ng sisiw. Bye.